This video we are going to see how to create a vector point data from the CSV file. I have downloaded one CSV file which represents data of Indian cities. So as you can see, these are the column headings. There are 6 attributes: city, latitude, longitude, country, country code and state. For us, these two values of these two columns are very important because it will create vector point data from these points. These are coordinates of each city. So when we are going to select X and Y field in QGIS, X would be longitude and Y would be latitude, and this other data will also be inserted into attribute table of the layer. So now let's see how to create vector point data using this CSV file, comma separated value. So I am adding one layer. From layer menu, add layer option, select add delimited text layer. Here we have to select the file name. So this is my file, it's a CSV file. You may also create vector point data using text file, DAT or WKT files. I have this CSV file, so I am adding this. Then first record has field names, so that is true, so that's why it is ticked. Detect field types, so whenever it is going to add the fields which are there in CSV file into attribute table of the vector layer which it is going to create, at that time it will identify the field types from the data. So looking at the values of that columns, say for example this city column, all the values are of type text, so automatically it will identify that this is a text type of data, and so the data type of city would be set with text. Same way, latitude is a type of data which is a number data, but it's a real number with decimal places, so it will identify that and will set the data type accordingly. So that's why we have to take this option. Then geometry definition, we are going to plot the coordinates, so we need to select X and Y field. In X we have to select longitude, and in Y we are going to select latitude. If the geometry is CRS is a coordinate reference system. If it is not set, then you have to select this option, because in QGIS it supports this projection and this coordinate system. So we have selected this. We don't want to set indexes, and these are the sample data which is displayed. It means that the attribute table of vector point data will have all these fields, and if everything is entered correctly, then it will enable this option add. So you have to click on add and then click on close. So this is the vector layer which is created from CSV file. Now if you want to display labels with the points, then you can set the labels. Select label. I want to display city name with the points, so I'm going to select city. You can increase the size, you can set color, opacity you can set, font you may also change, then click on apply and OK. So all these points are displayed with their city names. So Asansol, Haldia, so you can identify that these points are the correct coordinates. Here Porbandar in Gujarat, Bhavnagar, Bhuj, Surat, right? So this is how we can create vector point data from the CSV file.